Modbus RTU is an industrial communication protocol. A single master device communicates with multiple slave devices over a RS-485 network. There are two basic data types, coils and registers. Coils represent a 1-bit value, while registers represent a 16-bit value. Digital inputs of the slave device are mapped to device memory and are called discrete input contacts. The current state of the digital inputs is automatically reflected in the relevant memory area. Analog inputs have the same pattern but are written into the memory as registers, which are 16-bit values. Digital outputs are also mapped to the memory as coils. We can read and write them. Notice how the values change in the memory, and they are physically reflected in the slave device outputs. Analog outputs are also registers with 16-bit values, and when we write to their memory area, they output voltage or current proportional to the value we write. Writing to and reading from the specific memory areas are performed through function codes. Different function codes are used to target various memory areas of the slave device, allowing you to read or write either a single value or multiple values. To perform a specific action, you need to select the appropriate function code. This is Modbus RTU in 90 seconds. You can find more detailed tutorials on our channel.